So lesson 6.5 is all about discount and markup. We're going to learn how to determine the final selling price, whether the price is being marked up or whether it's being discounted. So for markup, what does markup mean? If someone marks up a price, the price goes up, right? So everyone write price goes up. So they can make a profit off of it. And then put addition. Discount, what does it mean for discount?
Decrease.
Price goes down. What are some words for discounts?
Decrease.
Clearance.
Clearance.
Like
Percentage off. Sale. On sale. Okay, those are all good words. Okay, we're going to learn how to, if you see something's 20% off, after today you'll know how to determine what the final selling price is, and maybe you've already done that before. Okay, and then with discount we're going to use subtraction. Right, you can use that too. Yep. If the price is ever, the price is ever going down, it's discounted. Okay, so working with some examples, we want to find the selling price if a store pays $42 for a pair of inline skates and the markup is 25%. So first we want to find 25% of 42.
Divide 42 by 25%, then you add that to the number.
Now I'm going to teach you a little easier way. We can use the percent proportion, but we want to find 25% of 42. We want to change 25. We want to change 25%. What are you dividing by?
100.
Dividing by 100. You can, but think that decimal is just going to move 2 spots. So we're at 0.25. That's the same thing as dividing by 100. Okay? Yes, now we want to multiply the original price to find 25% of it. This is the same process as the percent proportion. It's just in one step. So 0.25 times 42, what is it? 10 point what? 10.5? Now, it says mark up. What's going to happen to our original price? It's going up by that percentage. So we take our original and add 10.5. What do we get? 52.50. Now, how many decimal values does prices have? 2, right? They always have 2. For prices, they have 2 decimal points. Go ahead and try that other example of markup. And then compare with a partner. We want to find the selling price if a store pays $68 for a portable DVD player and the markup is 35%. Does anybody even know what a portable DVD player is anymore? Do you guys still use those?
No, I use my PlayStation.
Yeah, that's a portable DVD.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I use
Okay.
You can take it in the car.
I use my Xbox Series X.
A phone is a portable
Isn't like a portable DVD player? And I gotta
Put your PS5 in your mom's
Yep.
closet.
Yeah, I
Found it.
Yeah.
Oh, that. I've seen one of those.
Okay, so we want to find the markup value. How do we find the markup value? What do we want to do first? Allie.
5% by 100.
Divide the percent by 100, which moves our decimal 2 places. So we get 0.35. Now we want to find 35% of 68. So what do? Multiply by 68. What do you get when you multiply those? 23.8. Okay, that's the markup value. How do I find the overall price?
plus 68.
Yep, do the original price plus your markup value. What do you get?
91.80.
$91.80.
Oh, what goes from 23 to 91? That's what I
Any questions on markup? Let's do some discount. What's going to be the difference between markup and discount? We're going to subtract instead of add because our price is going to go down. So a volleyball has an original price of $59. That should be dollars. $59. It is on sale for 65% off the original price. We want to find the sell price of the volleyball. What's a key word in there? How do we know if it's discount or markup?
Sale.
On sale. So if something's on sale, is the price up or down? down. So we know this will be discount. We want to find 65% of 59 first. How do we do that?
Divide 65 by 100.
Yep, so we get 0.65 times 59, our original price. What do you get when you multiply those?
38,
38, 35. Okay, that's our discount value. What do I do with that now to find our overall selling price?
59 minus
26.
Yep, why do we want to subtract?
Because you're discounting it, so you're decreasing the price.
Yep, we're decreasing the price because it's a discount. What do you get when you subtract those?
2065.
$20.65?
Uh-huh.
Does everyone agree?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and try that last one of discount and then compare with a partner. It says a baseball mitt has an original price of $89. It is on sale for 25% off the original price. We want to find the overall price of the baseball mitt. Is our price going up or down?
Down.
How do you know?
On sale.
Because it says on sale. So if I have 25%, I want to change that to a decimal. What happens to my decimal point? Moves twice to the left. So we have 0.25 times our original price. What do you get when you multiply those? 0.25. Okay, that is our discount value. What do I do with my discount value? Yep. Take your original, subtract that value because our price is going down because it's on sale. What do you get for your final value? 0.75. Awesome. Now, one thing I do want to talk about is if we have, I'm going to add a page. What if it said 5%?
And it will be like 05.
Right. So think 5 divided by 100. Type that in your calculator. 5 divided by 100. Type that in your calculator.
It's 500.
0.5. 500.
It's
0.05 trillion.
Yes, it's 0.05. Okay? So take 5 and then you move your decimal. You move your decimal 2 places. Okay? It is not 0.5. If it was 0.5, that would be 50%. Okay? So you need to be careful.
I said 500.
You need to be careful when you have a single value. Okay? You got to be careful with those. There's a couple of those on your worksheet. Okay? Any other questions over markup and discount? Okay, markup, what happens to the price?
Goes down, up. Goes up.
Markup goes up, discount goes down. Okay?